All right, this is a side view of the lab. I have a disc on here and our pulley on the bottom. And I'm gonna set up my string like this. So we'll talk in class that when you have a pulley that has a mass, it has a moment of inertia. We're gonna consider this typically negligible in our setup here. So I'm gonna decide what height I want my my hanging mass to fall from. I'm gonna take the same height every time. So I'll bring my hanging mass back to the same height. I already collected some data for this when I released my mass from 60 centimeters. It goes pretty slow because I have a pretty small mass on here and this disc is relatively heavy. So this is gonna go pretty slow. So your data collection should be pretty accurate for this lab if you're using a smaller mass. So as I let this thing go, this is gonna fall linearly to the floor and will be accelerating. And my pulley and my disc will also be accelerating, but their acceleration is only angular. All right, so I'm just gonna drop it once so you can see what it looks like, and that'll be it. Super slow. Okay. All right. I did want to mention too from the last video that because our pulley is rotating around this, when you put this disc on here, since it's rotating around the same axis of rotation, the angular acceleration is going to be the same for both, right? They're both pivoting around this rod here. So even though they have different R's, right, they will have the same angular acceleration. Okay. That is it.